Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can dry your clothes with this dryer. Now, what you want to do is make sure you have clothes in your dryer like so. Right here, I have clothes in the dryer like so. As you can see. Now, once you put your clothes in the dryer, you will see this little container right here. This is for the lint. Right there. Depending on what dryer you have, you will always have a lint container, so the lint can get collected. What you want to do is take that container out, like so. And right here, you will see a bunch of lint. Right here, depending on what dryer lint container you have. What you want to do is find out where the thing opens, like so. Right here, it opens on the top, like so. And you want to open it. Now that it's opened right there, what you can do is take out the lint. As you see right there, I have no lint in this container because I already took it out. Now, once you took out the lint, what you can do is either close this like so. You can want to close it like so. But once you have the lint taken out of your container right here, what you want to do is either throw the lint away, like so, or you can just put it in this little bag like I have right there. You see right here, I have a bag collected with lint, and this will get thrown away when it's full. You could either do this method or throw away your lint. Now that you closed this door from your lint container, you want to put it back like so. You want to put it back depending on how it goes, like so. Mine always goes this way. Make sure it goes in like this. You see right there. Sometimes it says on the little lid right here, it says clean before each use. Make sure you clean this before each use. Now you want to put this little container back for the lint like so. You see it's secure and it won't come out. Now what you want to do is close the door to the dryer like so. And over here, this will be a bit different. You see right here on the dryer that it says Samsung right here. But there's no little latch where the powder and stuff would go. As you see in this dryer, and as you see in this washer right there. You see right here on your washer, you have the little container for the powder and all that stuff to go in. Over here, you do not have it, so you do not have to worry about that. Now, what you want to do is turn on your dryer like so. You see that little chime came on. That means that the dryer is on. Now, what you want to do is you see a bunch of options right here. Normal, bedding, pre-press, and much more. Over here, you see heavy duty, quick dry, and much more. I'm going to tell you what all these mean. Because you see right here, this is like orange right there. That's for manual dryer. And over here, that's for... You see right here, you have a bunch of like quick dry, it's gray, right there. What you want to do is it says right here, steam cycle and sensor dry. This side is like sensor dry and this side is steam dry. Now that you know that, what you want to do is click normal or quick dry. Normal will dry it completely, depending on the clothes you have. And right here, quick dry will dry it almost to full dry, to where the clothes is warm and not damp. Depending on how much clothes you have on your dryer, quick dry will work. Quick dry will work phenomenally, depending on how much clothes you have in your dryer. Now, for this video, I'm going to put normal, like so. You see right here. You see right there, normal, is an hour and 15. Quick dry is only 30 seconds, but it will dry your clothes good depending on how much you have. Now I'm gonna put normal dry, like so. Normal. And what you want to do is click start, but click start, and you do not have to worry about these buttons, like so. You do not have to worry about any of these buttons. Now you want to click start. You see right there, your dryer is starting, like so. Just leave your dryer as is. And that's it for this video, guys, on how to dry your clothes with a dryer. Please like and subscribe for more videos like these ones. Bye.